discuss that what is the margin. Open developer guide. Open developer guide and just look into that. You have written margin. It used to apply the space outside of HTML tags. It used to apply the space outside of HTML tags. Okay, outside of HTML tags. Correct? Outside of HTML tags. So the concept was here. Suppose we have orange, green, blue. We have this kind of blocks we have. Now question is, if you want to give some space between orange and blue, you want to give some space between blue and green, how to give the space? How to give the space? Okay. So for that, we have a property called margin. Now inside margin, we have various type of margin. One is says margin auto. Margin auto says like if you follow margin auto, your tag will print in the middle of the screen. Okay, your tag will come in the middle of the screen. If you follow margin 30 pixel, then your tag will get a space of how much? 30 pixels from top, left, right, and bottom, all the side. I guess we have created one example yesterday. That file was this one only, no? Margin. Margin. One example we have written, and that was margin auto. It was margin auto. Yes, this example was margin auto. Let me open that. So margin auto. Okay, in margin auto it says like wherever you write this division, it will try to come in the center of present area. So we wrote this division under the body. Now when we run the file, we found that division is coming under the center of the screen. It may be a screen is large size, or maybe a screen is medium size, or maybe a screen is a small size. But when we go here, it says like this. Something. Correct? This is called margin auto. This file is exist or not? This file is available. This file you have, margin file. Open that file. Now go inside and create one more division where you will write a division where you will write a style equal to height, suppose 200 px, width also 200 px, background also pink color. Float, we have written one example yesterday, left. Float left, what it will say? Float left says like your tag is going to start from the left side. Float left will make your tag to start from the left side. After that, once it starts from the left side, then from all the side there should be gap of 30 px. 30 px. Right? There will be gap of 30 px. So this division is going to leave from top, from bottom, from left, from right, background, how much? 30 px. Background will be pink color and float will be left. Means the division will start from left side. Save that. G equals in the left side. Pink block division is coming up now. Yes. So that should look like this. It's here. pink color. Okay. Gap you can see here. Gap is there. Similarly, gap will come here also. If you add one more. Keep this division 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many times you want? Just copy paste continuous. Copy paste and save and check once. Let me know also. Page is running or not. How many times is coming? Six, 7 times. How many blocks? 6, 7 blocks. Check once. Working for how many people? See, look like this. Let me increase little. See what will happen now. So the gap between first one and second one is how much? Okay, so calculate like this. You can see the gap between two pink block is double than the gap between red and pink. See this. This is some gap, right? And here is also some gap. So between two pink block, the gap is the double of this one. Because on top, the margin is only 30 pixel. But here, the 30 pixel gap of first block and 30 pixel gap of second block. 30 and 30, 60. Right? So between two block, you have a gap of 60 pixel. But out of this block, there is a gap of only 30 px here. Okay, because the red is not leaving any pixel. The gap is coming, it's only coming from the pink side. Yes, exactly. Okay. So our theory says, what is our theory? Our theory says like margin 30 px. Margin 30 px is like it will apply 30 pixel gap from, it will apply 30 pixel gap from where? Top, left, right, as well as bottom. All the side it is going to give the gap of 30 px. Okay, let's go now. Next it says margin top. Margin top 30 px. Sometime what will happen? Suppose you want one division should leave only from top side 30 pixel. It should not leave any gap from any other side. Then we can use this one. Like from all the side, if you want to give the gap, you can use this one, margin auto. Sorry, if you want to bring in the middle, then margin auto. If you want to give equal gap from all the sides, then margin particular px. Okay. If you want to give a specific side gap, maybe top side, maybe left side, maybe right side, maybe bottom side. So these all are available. Overall, you can apply the space between two tag using this many method. How many method? This all the methods. Total 2, 4, and then 5. Using 5 methods, we can apply the gap between two division, two tags, any tag, using 5 methods. And this is just only to bring in the center. Margin auto only to bring in the center. Okay. Ready? Let's go ahead. Create next file. Give the file name called padding. Padding.html. Padding.html. HTML. Body tag you can use now directly. Head also will use after 2 days. BODY and BODY. Body open, body close. Come inside. Use P tag. And under the P tag, write some text. Okay. Hope ready? Padding. You can keep less text only, not huge text. One paragraph. For this, apply here. A style equal to width 300 px, background red color or pink color, margin 30 px, float left, width 300 px, background pink, margin 30 px, float as a left. Save this much. And this paragraph you will repeat total 3 times. Copy, paste and paste. Ready? Check now. 3 block is coming in the one line or not? Three blocks should come in one line. Height we have not written, so height will be auto. You can see here 3 blocks appear in one line. Right, 3 blocks. Okay. Next, after that, Look like similar, something like this. 3 blocks. Now see, in the previous example, you saw the margin. What is the use of that? Used to apply the space out of the tag. So between two tag margin is coming. Here also margin is coming. But when you look inside the pink block, you will find no space on the top, left, right, and bottom. Complete content is covering the full area. Full area, right? Everywhere. Full area. We want to apply some space inside also. Outside space is okay, but inside space is also required. So inside space you can apply using the property called padding. So go for the second paragraph and apply inside padding 40 px. Padding 40 px. Padding 40 px. 40 px. Padding 40 px. Added padding how much? 40 px. Pixel. Px is px, pixel. See here. Gap got applied. Error. Show me. Hello. बोलिए सर. 7 o'clock का हम हैं यहाँ पे. ठीक. There is given the padding. Padding 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 40 px. After px, what you are reading? It should be semicolon. You wrote as a colon. It will be the error. Padding is similar to cell spacing. Exactly. Yes, Ankit. Padding is similar to cell spacing, cell padding. But the problem is in HTML. Now you saw here padding. Padding is similar to cell padding only. But in CSS, the padding we have, it is of 5 types. In CSS, padding is of 5 types. And in HTML, cell padding is only 1 type. Okay, in HTML, cell padding is only 1 type. You have to give equal gap from all the sides. But in CSS, the padding is of 5 types. They are going to make a note. This is padding written. So it is giving the equal gap from all the sides. We have option we can give only from the top, from the left, from the right, from the bottom. All the direction we have, we can give from all the sides. Okay. So save now. Save now. And check once. Looking similar for everyone? Or anyone have different? One person is active. What about others? Say yes, no. If we say yes, no, it will be interactive. I will be much comfortable. Yes, no, not come, then I feel like it's become uninteractive. Okay, go ahead. Next, after that, come to the second paragraph. In the second paragraph, you will write padding hyphen top, padding hyphen top 30 px, padding hyphen top 30 px. So in this, the gap will get applied only from the top side. In this, the gap will get applied only from which side? Only from the top side, yes. Check now. Hmm? Yes, space only from the top side. Go to the first one, padding hyphen right. Padding hyphen right. 40 px and check again. Right? Space from where? Right side? Yes. Now we have option to give a space from inside also and to give the space from outside also. Okay. So we can write a note in developer guide. Padding. What is the use of the padding? Inside of tag. All side 30 px gap. top side 30 bx gap, left side was written. Now write below difference between margin and padding. Margin applied, space, outside of tag, padding, apply space, inside of tag. Margin apply space, outside of the tag, padding apply the space, inside of the tag. Let's go ahead. Next example. Related to height. You can see here, we have written that height is of three types. We can apply the height using three ways. Width is of four types. We can apply the width using four ways. And background, it says called 9-10 types. Background we can set using 9 to 10 types. So first we can implement the height. Okay. So create a file call, or first go here, make a note first. Okay, height, type of height. Height colon 100 bx. Height colon 100 bx. It fixed the height for 100 bx. Fix the height for 100 bx. Mean hyphen height. Okay, mean hyphen height 100 px. So what it says like the minimum height is 100 px. But if content is more, then it will increase automatically. It will increase automatically. If the content is more, then it will increase automatically. That is called minimum height. But minimum will be 100. Okay. Another one is called max height. Max height. Max height, suppose 500. So it limit max height to 500 px. Another one is called height as auto. It is fully based on contents. It is fully based on contents. It is fully based on contents. Like if the content will increase, height will increase. If the content will decrease, height will decrease. So 4 options we have: height, mean height, max height, and height. Right below in the note, what is the default height? What is the default height? The default height is auto. The default height is auto. The default height is auto. Written. We'll create a file height.html. Create a file called height.html. Written? Not done. Yes, create file height.html. So this is the complete building block of your CSS. Understanding the inner level functionality, margin, padding. Huh? These all are under inline still. All examples are under the inline. These all examples are under the inline only. Okay. Now suppose keep in just hope you remember. If you want to print the division side by side, you will use the float left. If you want to give the space between two division, you will use the margin. Now, where you want to give the space, left, right, top, bottom, we have option. Next, after that, we have called padding. If you want to give the space inside, we have padding. Again, in padding also left, right, top, bottom. Correct. Next, we got called which one? Height. You want to make height fixed height or height dynamic or height minimum, maximum, how you want. So all options are there. So according to need, we need to remember these properties and we need to apply. HTML start. Come down. Follow the body tag. Come down. Right inside. The division. Inside the division, write some 4-5 line of text. Purposefully, it should be more lines. Okay. Let's come now to the CSS part. Style equal to height 100 px, width 200 px, background red color, float left, margin 40 px. Save till here first. Run this file first. You will find one division. And you can see half content is outside, half content is inside. Okay, I made that content purposefully like that so that we'll come to know, okay, if I'm writing height, what will happen if there is a more content? If I'm writing height, what will happen if there is a more content? Text is going outside. See, the text is going outside. Right, quickly. Because content is more. Okay. Now copy the same division. Paste after this. Paste after this. Okay. Next, after that, height you have given, convert into mean height. Let it be same content. Height convert into mean height. Height convert into mean height. Then you will see. In the first block also the content is same. In the second block also the content is same. But one place is the height and another place is mean height. Right? Save now and check once. You will find its total covering. It's covering complete total. Height got increased automatically. But it will not decrease if the content is less. It will not decrease if the content is less. Content was more, so increase happen. But if content will be less, it will not decrease. Let me show you. See, I will go here. I will reduce the content. I will reduce the content. Now what should happen? See here. If you go here, see, height will be minimum 500. Sorry, minimum 100. Whichever the minimum height you are given, that will be remain same. That will not increase. That will not increment will happen, but decrement will not happen. Okay, let's go now. Let's go here. Copy this division. Paste again. Paste again. And height, keep as a auto. Height, keep as a auto. Height, keep as a auto. Height auto, check now. It will be fully dynamic. It will be increased. And if you reduce the content, it will decrease also. You can see here. It will decrease also. If you will not keep anything, it will not show anything. If you will not keep anything, what will happen? It will not show you anything. Look at here. Oh. Something is open. Yeah. If you will not keep anything, it will not display anything. Empty how it will show here. You are not given any kind of height. You are given completely height as a auto based on content. If no content, it will not display anything. Okay. So out of three, which one is the best? If you have understood, say something in the chat. Height, mean height, and height auto. What reply has come? Let me see once. Auto. Okay. Cool. Both are useful. Height, auto, and mean height. Okay. Mean height is also useful. Most of the time you will use mean height. Okay. Height will be sometime. Height auto will be sometime. Okay. Mean height will be more. Yes. Mean height will be more. Let's see. You will come to know automatically. Okay. Create next file now. Okay. Next file you create, that is called width.html. For that, first you can write here a small note. Width. Width if you write in pixel, like 100 px, 200 px, 300 px. Width we can write in percentage. Okay. Between 1 to 100. 1 to 100%. Between 1 to 100%. Width. Next is called mean width. Mean width. It can be pixel also, or it can be in percentage also. Max width. It can be in pixel also, or it can be in percentage also. Okay, done. How many type of width? 4 type of width. Width in pixel, width in percentage, maximum width and then minimum width. By default, width is not auto, you can say. That depend on type of tag. Block level tag will have width 100%. Inline tag will have width based on content. Create next file, width.html. HTML start here. Write a division. Style equal to width 1000 pixel. Background sky blue color. Height 300 px. Width, background height, width, background height, margin auto. Check now, width. You will get a division where width will be 1000 pixel and it will appear in the middle of the screen. Width will be 1000 pixel and it will appear in the middle of the screen. Okay, hope ready. Save now. Check what will happen. Thousand pixel in the center of the screen. 1000 pixel width in center of screen. Okay. Next, after that, suppose this page you created and you wrote the code saying like width should be 1000 pixel for the division. Our laptop is more than 1000 pixels, so working well. Now same page, if anyone will open in mobile phone, suppose you uploaded this page on internet, you created a website app, added there and given the width is 1000 pixel. And I will open your page in my mobile phone. My mobile is a 400 pixel only. What will happen? It will happen like this. I will show you. Yes, let me show you. See, I'll go here. I'll make it a small screen. See, This scroller will appear. Check in your computer. This is coming or not? Scroller is coming. Right? Scroller is coming. Coming. That is the problem of pixel. Because we are given the how much pixel? 1000 pixel. We have measured as 1000 pixel. But if anyone will open a mobile phone, he has to move to the Hyderabad and he has to come back to where? Somewhere else, Bangalore. Then only you can see the content. Our page should be in such a way, it should fit according to a screen. See here. Now in mobile phone, we have to move right, scroll left, scroll right. User will be irritated. User will feel like it's not the good design here. Go here now. Instead of that, put as a some percentage. 1000% is not there. Maximum is where? Minimum is 1 and maximum is 100. Now suppose if I give here 80%. So in mobile phone also 80% and in the laptop also 80%. It will take the 80% of your current screen. So it will fit in all the devices. Okay, it will fit in all the devices. Check now. Give 80%, minimize your window of the browser and maximize. Let's do little increment decrement. C drive का डेटा आ रहा था, D तो आ रहा था, C आ रही था. कितने लिए? Okay, ready? Check now. Minimize the screen, maximize the screen. Can you see now? No scroller is fitting properly. So which method is the best? Pixel or percentage? Pixel. How pixel here? In pixel, a scroller was coming here. We were moving in the left and right. We were going left, right, then continuous. Now with the percentage. Percentage is fitting completely in the screen. Right? So this is the best method. It will work in mobile also. In mobile phone also, it will take the 80%. And in the laptop also, it will take the 80%. Okay. So the percentage is the best solution, not the pixel. But you are going to use both. Pixel also and percentage. Check now. Working for all. Okay, then we will leave here only. I was supposed to go somewhere. There was some work, but thought to not to cancel the class, right? So I hope from Monday will not have a delay. The other batch was there in the evening. I was starting for them little late. Because of that, your class was getting disturbed 15 minutes, 20 minutes. From Monday, hopefully it should not happen. and then see you on Monday. Your yesterday video, I think I have uploaded or not. I don't know. Yesterday I have not uploaded. Previous one I have uploaded. Okay, so yesterday and today video will upload. You can follow that, and then okay, so we can log out. We'll see you on Monday.